Gigo.
Learn programming concepts with ease. A robotics workshop designed for beginners. The product includes 245 pieces, 20 hands-on experiments, and 6 extended projects. A newly designed microbit smart controller. LED matrix for a more refined light display. Supports Type-C fast charging. Paired with 2 batteries for more stable power supply. Connect to a computer using a micro USB, and you can program the microbit via a web interface. Equipped with an ultrasonic distance sensor. When the sensor detects an object, the model will perform preset actions. 36-page full-color instruction manual, guiding you step by step. Create functional models using coding blocks in microbit. For example, a smart fan that interacts differently when sensors are added. A vivid quadruped bionic robot, as if it came to life. Common systems like automatic doors, and even obstacle avoidance robots, can be easily built. You will be able to help your child grasp basic programming knowledge and solid hands-on skills.